Welcome to Mr. Cool and Mr. Heat, where we are dedicated to helping you stay comfortable all year round. Our team of highly qualified AC and heating specialists is ready to provide you with the exceptional service we're known for. From the smallest repairs to the most extensive installations, there's no job we're not equipped to handle. You can also count on us to be there whenever you need us. With our 24/7 service, you'll never have to wait. So whether you're too hot or too cold, we've got the solutions that will have you comfortable again in no time. Give Mr. Cool and Mr. Heat a call today for service you can depend on.